the goddamn button? Push the goddamn button!
What up, people? You know what I love about cases like these? When they actually get it right. When there's no biases. We just get to the bottom of the right and the wrong, and everybody gets held accountable appropriately. As you'll see here. Roll footage.
Windows. I was tapping on them.
I didn't state pounding. I stated that you felt like you were aggressively hitting.
How do you know I was aggressively hitting your window?
It didn't feel like
just your assumption.
This is how I felt.
So I was standing next to your vehicle and I entrapped you. Then you were saying?
Yes, I was inches away from my car and could not safely back up. I was inching backwards and was not able to move away from. I was not able to back up.
So I would have to be behind your vehicle to entrap you, correct?
No, I couldn't safely move backwards from my vehicle because you were standing so close.
Okay, so you didn't witness it. You just assumed that I kicked your vehicle?
It was witnessed by Benjamin.
Okay, well, he's not here today. Let's see.
To clarify, ma'am, so you didn't witness that?
I had my eye on my peripheral vision, and he was right there. But
okay, that's not what I asked. I asked, did you witness it? Okay, thank you.
If you don't have your witnesses, it's hearsay. Your word against theirs. And I like how this man is interrogating her and questioning every single detail. Make her respond appropriately to her accusations because they're documenting all of it. So if anything is out of order within this conversation or exchange between you two, they're definitely going to call it out.
So when we see the video, will it show that I kicked your car in the video then? Will it show that I entrapped you?
Yes.
On the date when you indicated that you believe that Mr. Schmidt kicked your car, did you hear anything that would have indicated that he had come into contact with your car?
No.
And Mr. Schmidt indicated that he has been videoing you. And have you had any discussion about him taking the videos of you?
Yes, I've asked him to stop.
And has he stopped?
No, he does not stop.
And how does that make you feel when he's taking videos of you?
Fearful, afraid, and unsure of what it could escalate to.
When we were at the Shell station in Battle Creek, are you aware that's a public place?
I'm aware.
Are you aware that you can videotape in a public place?
I am aware, but I asked you kindly to please stop.
If you were fearful and there's a video being taken, wouldn't that make you feel safer because it's on a video that somebody could actually review if they requested? If you felt unsafe, that would make you feel safer, correct?
No, it did not make me feel safer.
Mr. Schmidt, have you spoken with Ms. Galt's mother?
It states on a PPO it has to be Rachel Galt we're speaking of. I believe her mother can file a personal protection order if this did occur.
Yeah, I'm only going to pertain to these parties. Okay, hold on. I'm only going to address issues concerning these parties, not third parties.
Okay. I have no questions for Mr. Schmidt.
Okay.
So what happened here, from what I'm seeing, the lawyer tried to include situations outside of what is being addressed. The judge ain't having it, caught it right away, and quite frankly, kudos to you, sir, because we're not here for that. You're saying I inappropriately recorded you in public spaces. You're saying that I kept you from backing out of your property let's continue to stay on that. That is why we are here. Why the deflection?
How was I pounding on your windows? I was tapping on them.
I didn't state pounding. I stated that you felt like you were aggressively hitting.
How do you know I was aggressively hitting your window?
That was the entire piece of that. I don't even know what the conclusion was there. From what I surmise, this didn't go the way that she thought it would. She didn't have enough details. She didn't have the complete facts to substantiate her claims whatsoever. And they most likely dropped all of this. You can't put somebody under the microscope and accuse them of doing things without proof. I'm all for justice. I'm all for holding people accountable if necessary, but under the pretenses that it's legitimate. And this ain't from you having some other motives because you're upset that things didn't work out between you and this person, or you're trying to build a case that help bring more benefits to you for whatever is going on with you. For him not to have representation, he handled this pretty well. And I wouldn't advise doing that by yourself though in the near future. Like if you can afford to have somebody to help you out, definitely have representation. But shout outs to him. If I come across any more details with how this ended, I'm definitely going to do a recap on it. Let me know your thoughts. Peace.
Welcome aboard the flight. This is pilot Pusha talking. We going back to Memphis and coming straight from New Orleans. The estimated time of arrival is about an hour, and I can turn your ghost if you try and play with my power. So when you look up and see the sign flashing, stay in your seat. If the flight attendant say you making trouble, then we got beef. The turbulence might get rocky. You better not spill your food. This is bread and plain if you get it messy.